How to find your help center on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find help center on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it, click on those three lines up there. Now scroll down and you're gonna find help support. Click on it and you're gonna find the first option, which is help center. Click on it, and here you have your help center: account setting, login and password, privacy and security, marketplace, groups, pages, whatever you want. And this is it. It's so easy and quick, like I said. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video or if it was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like.